are the technologies that you use to do the testings?
From a creative point of view, once we have established the DNA of the typeface, there are still ways of exploring different options for certain characters. And you can see a few examples here where we went into considering alternative constructions for letters such as K and F and T with a more geometric as well as a more grotesque construction. You can see the same in the U, for instance. So this is a big part of what we do, and it's a very fascinating part of the process, how within a certain visual language of a typeface, you still actually have room to vary and introduce slightly different themes and vary the construction of certain characters and groups of characters. When it comes to the technical side of things, we want to make sure that we test the functionality of the fonts. For instance, the open type features, your tabular numbers and proportional numbers, your kerning. We want to make sure that the kerning is on and working across different applications, Microsoft Office, as well as Adobe applications or Figma and so on. We are also very concerned with the way that type renders and looks on screen. And this is one of the things that really I remember shocked me the most when I started working in this field, how different type looks when you look at it in different operating systems, Windows, Microsoft Windows and the Mac OS. Typically on Windows things look more crisp, whereas on the Mac they look a little bit softer in terms of how the type renders. So you want to make sure that you test things, you check things at different sizes on both operating systems as well as on different browsers as well, Chrome, Firefox, Safari and so on. One interesting aspect is that when we started the project and developed the first part of the family, this was in 2019, we use a technology for screen optimization or a process that we refer to as hinting, which has a strong manual component. By the time we produced this update to the family in 2022, we had developed our own technology at Dalton Maag, which is called Pixel Fix, that allows us to control the rendering of type in a very powerful way, as well as applying screen optimization to variable fonts.